Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Centre rejects Goa's demand of special status. Union Home Minister says Goa's demand not justifiable as it contradicts Article 19 of Constitution. Health Department suspends neurology lab technician Ravi Sawant for his links and deals with private hospitals. It is Operation Rakt Charitra Impact. Valpoikars out demanding justice for Vedashree, threatened of severe agitation on 5th August if accused not arrested. CM Parrikar blames Fatima High School for HIV positive fiasco at Rivanna, assures action against doctor who misguided parents and school management. And Indian wrestlers put stamp of authority at Glasgow 2014. Amit Kumar, Sushil Kumar and Vinesh Fogart clinched gold medals at Commonwealth Games. Now the news in details. Union Home Ministry has rejected state government's demand of special status to Goa. Union Home Minister Kiren Rijiju informed in Rajya Sabha that Goa's demand is not justifiable and is in contradiction to Article 19 of the Constitution. Chief Minister Parrikar had earlier in 2013 demanded special status to Goa under Article 371 of the Constitution of India to preserve unique identity of Goa, while the CM is planning to lead a delegation to the Union Home Ministry to press for Goa's demands. Modi government has already given red signal to the proposal.
This is a big setback to the state government as the Modi-led union government has rejected Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's demand for a special status. Union Home Ministry claimed that grant for special status for Goa has not been found justifiable and hence not agreed to.
राज्य सरकारान हाजे पयलीं कायदो करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्टाक अमेंडमेंट करून पूण ती दुरुस्ती राष्ट्रपतीन तेन्ना मान्य करूं ना म्हणटकीर राज्य सरकाराक कायद्यान अधिकार ना ही गोष्ट मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी केंद्र सरकारच्या नजरेक हाडून दिवंक जाय आशिल्ली तर दिल्ली अशे तरेचें उत्तर कदाचित आमकां मेळचें ना ही मागणी बरोबर मानूं ना.
Goa had demanded special status to Goa on the lines of the special status granted to the states of Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh and Uttaranchal under Article 371 or any other provision of the Constitution of India for regulating the ownership and transfer of land in order to conserve the limited resources available for development and to ensure that state preserves its unique identity. Member of Parliament Shantaram Naik had raised the question on special status for Goa in the Rajya Sabha. Union Home Minister Kiren Rijiju informed that demand is not justifiable and is in contradiction to Article 19 of the Constitution.
की घटनेत काही प्रोविजन्स आसात त्या प्रोविजन्सा प्रमाणे आम्ही ती मान्य करू शकना.
Environment Minister Alina feels disappointed with Centre's reply but says battle is not lost still.
Are you disappointed with the decision?
Yes, I am feeling a little low. Definitely I'm feeling low at the moment. Well, I'm not going to jump to conclusions. I will not give up. I will carry on with my demand. And I still believe that the Honorable Prime Minister will grant special status to Goa because that was the promise he made during his campaign. The promise is also made in the manifesto of the BJP party. And as our Honorable Chief Minister said just 2 or 3 days ago in the Assembly, he will be leading a delegation to meet the concerned, to meet the Prime Minister.
Modi government says granting special status to Goa, unlike other states, is not possible. CM Parrikar plans to take a delegation to the Union Home Ministry in September explaining the need and specifics of special status for Goa, while the Modi government has already signalled red. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's a prudent impact. Health Department has finally suspended neurology lab technician Ravi Sawant for his links and deals with the private hospitals. Prudent had on Sunday exposed the nexus between GMC staff and private hospitals. The lab technician was caught red-handed on Prudent's camera, forcing patients visiting the neurology lab to conduct tests in private labs at higher costs.
Prudent exposed how the needy patients who visit GMC for medical tests at subsidized rates are forced to visit private hospitals. Lab technician Ravi Sawant was caught on camera while forcing the patients to conduct tests in private hospital. Facility is available in GMC to conduct EEG, EMG and NCS tests at concessional rates. Suspended lab technician Ravi Sawant was forcing the patients to conduct same tests in private hospitals at higher cost. That's not all. He was personally conducting tests at these private hospitals despite being a GMC staff. He himself agrees these facts on camera. Those patients who refuse to get these tests done from private hospitals are given appointment of 6 months or 1 year ahead. Prudent had exposed whole story in Rakta Charitra sting operation part 2 and the preliminary inquiry began at GMC level. The prima facie verdict is out after 2 days. The authorities have found prima facie misconduct by lab technician Ravi Sawant. Dean of Goa Medical College Dr. Jindal said that on the basis of media report, GMC has suspended the lab technician Ravi Sawant. Further and thorough investigation is on. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar confirmed the action.
Prudent media ने तुमचं अभिनंदन करता. जो दुष्प्रवृत्ती GMC किंवा आरोग्य क्षेत्रात आसात तुम्ही शोधून दिलेत त्यामुळे आणि ह्याच्या सकट प्रूफा सकट दिल्लो आसा त्यामुळे ताका सस्पेंड केल्लो आसा. इमिजिएट इन्क्वायरी सुरू जातली. इमिजिएट सस्पेंड केल्लो आसा. न्यूरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाचो लॅब असिस्टंट तो आनी ताणें काही प्रायवेट भायर लॅबोरेटरीत संबंध आसलो हें करतकीर थंय वचतालो आनी तो हांगासरली काही गजाली व्हरतालो डायवर्ट करतालो. अशेंच सगळे आसात अशें ना पण काही निश्चित आसतले आनी त्यामुळे तांच्या खातीर दिस इज अ लेसन फॉर देम.
Prudent in its sting operation Rakta Charitra 1 had exposed nexus on how agents in the GMC take blood samples of patients to private hospital for the test. Now, this is the second expose. Health Department and Ministry awakens only after media exposes corruption and nexus in GMC, leaving hundreds of patients visiting the GMC daily at the mercy of these dalals. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Walpoikers are now on streets demanding justice for their daughter Vedashri. They have threatened of severe agitation on 5th August if her husband, mother-in-law and father-in-law are not arrested by 4th August. They held a meeting at Masode on Wednesday. The hearing on anticipatory bail plea of the accused is scheduled on Thursday. Ironically, in spite of not having interim relief on the bail petition to the accused, police are waiting for the outcome of the hearing.
Even after 15 days of Vedashri's suicide, accused, her husband, mother-in-law and father-in-law are still at large. Residents of Masode on Tuesday held a meeting protesting against police failure to nab the trio.
15 दीस जाले जाल्यार तांकां आतां त्यांच्यानी मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेंट दिवन त्यांच्यानी आमच्या हे कंप्लेंटीचेर कांयच एक्शन घेतलेली ना. कांयच घेवंक ना त्यांच्यानी. जेन्ना आमकां तेंचें आश्वासन दिलें अशें बॉडी मेळोन तेज्या उपरांत कारवाई करता तेज्या उपरांत तुमकां आमी न्याय दिता अशें सांगलेलें तरी काय करूंक ना.
The agitated locals have threatened of severe agitation on 5th of August if the culprits are not nabbed by 4th of August.
पुलीस आमकां सोदिना पण पुलीस कितें म्हणटा की आमी वयतात पण आमकां तें मेळना पण डेली ती घरान आसतात पण तरी पूण ते पुलीस तांकां सोदूंक पळयना पण ते कित्याक सोदूंक पळयना ते तांकां खबर कित्याक पण हेजेर आमकां सरकारान कांयच पावलां उखलूंक ना आनी कसलीच इन्वेस्टिगेशन करूंक ना आजून पर्यंत आमकां न्याय दिवंक ना. एके वटेन सरकार ह्यो येवजण्यो केल्या ते येवजण्यो केल्या म्हणून व्हडल्यान दाखोवन दिता पण ह्या वेदश्री प्रकरणान म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता सरकारान कसलीच पावलां उखलूंक ना आनी कोणाकूच आमकां आजून पर्यंत न्याय मेळोंक ना. आमी यशस्वी वेदश्री खातीर आमी 4 तारीख मेरेन सरकाराक मुदत दिता आनी 4 तारीख मेरेन जर सरकारान कसलेच जर उपाय योजना काडूंक ना आनी तांकां जर अरेस्ट करूंक ना जाल्यार आमी 5 तारखेर वाळपय नगरपालिकेच्या स्टेजीर बसतली.
Meanwhile, the hearing on anticipatory bail plea of trio accused is scheduled on Thursday. Police seems awaiting this verdict to nab Vedashree's accused killers. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Panji JMFC Court has directed SP of North Goa to register FIR against PI Suresh Gaukar, Deputy SP Neelu Raut Desai and SP Om Prakash Kurtarkar for not registering FIR even after its order. Earlier in January this year, Panji JMFC Court had directed Crime Branch to register FIR against Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow for hiding its dual citizenship. But Crime Branch ignored the court's order and did not register FIR. Now the court has directed SP North Goa to register FIR against 3 officers of the Crime Branch within 30 days. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.